Shabbat Shalom, Ambazonia. Today, na the 22 day for the month of January 2021. My name na Capo Daniel, the Deputy Defense Chief of the Ambazonia Defense Forces, aka Sense Pass King.
Carry the banner, stand up, the banner of peace, the banner of unity, for the better future of Amazon. Future leaders, stand up.
Today, na my daily podcast this fall now. We start for the capital city of the Savannah State, Bamenda, land of the brave, home of warriors, the heartbeat of freedom call for Ambazonia. The people them for Bamenda, they don't shame Achumbong Tambeng Paul, the mayor without mandate, where he try to fight their aspiration for independence. Achumbong Tambeng Paul, na a wanted criminal, person where La Republic it don't put it for over Bamenda like mayor, where no man in no votee. For the ban election where be imposed upon the people for Bamenda by La Republic du Cameroon, people they will reject the election, they will massively boycott the election throughout our national territory. And Chombong Tambeng Po, where it don't run Bamenda, it is stay for military camp for up station, then launch a losing battle against the aspiration for Ambazonian independence by declaring since last year, say by this year, Ghost Town it go die, no man no go host Ghost Town. The people for Bamenda, they don't reject it for show them who say their allegiance day with Ambazonia. Say this war and our picking the way they don't die, the sacrifices them who don't sacrifice them for close up our shop them, close our school them. It no go for vain. The people for Ambazonia, they don't demonstrate them for La Republic. Say they close to 30,000 people the way La Republic, they don't slaughter them for our villages them, burn more than 300 villages them to the ground. It no go for vain. The people they don't determine them. Say not only independence or nothing. After a sham campaign by the mayor without mandate and Chombong Po, they don't bring in the military for intimidate our people them, threaten them for use illegal actions against them. If they not open their store for Monday, our people then get right under all laws under the sky for keep their shop them closed. No government in this war, even in North Korea, no have a law where you go oblige people them me they no close their shop them by their own choice. In the beginning of this month, as all trader them, then shame La Republic for close their shop them and respect the Independent Day Ghost Town. The mayor without mandate and the colonial duo and SDO them, then go seal people their shop on a false basis. The reason where they put them say then close people their shop them, now say they not display their documents them for shop. We all man know say they practice for put document them for shop, warana patang, warana registration, it did for Insta shop. While for radio station them, they did threaten the people them say the reason why they close their shop, now because they respect the Independent Day Ghost Town. So now lie with La Republic they do the reason why they lie, they talk one thing, say the reason why they want me people open shop now one thing, but the motive where they write them for their shop now another one. Now for sure, now say these people are illegal people, they are criminals. They need to follow even their own law, let alone the law the way they get obligation for follow and when the international law them for human right. Make no man fear them. Now them supposed for the fear we because now then they for our land illegally. Now they operate without the law. These are criminals, petty thieves with guns. Now armed robbers. In another lame attempt, at Chombong Po, they don't come with armored vehicles, with a Kilibi them, Egyptians them, surround our trader them, call them for talk for them, for Bamenda, for in front main market. Our people them, then tell them the truth without mixing their word. Our brave people for Bamenda then tell the colonial mayors them, say they don't run. Ambazonia don't defeat them, they don't run, they work and run for waiting. They need to stay again for inside Ambazonia, for them to get a position, for even stand for talk for the people them. When I listen. Yes, While La République du Cameroon, their minister school drop out, Minister Boyces, Atanganji Paul, he talks say Ambazonia ran lost war. Now our people then this they tell them the truth for front daylight. All their colonial administrators they don't run. They don't run all their offices. They don't kick them out of our land. They can't stand, they make propaganda for fight or push our people in front. We then say they don't run. Our people then talk for La République, their agents them. Say that their troops them, they terrorize our people, they harass our people them from day to day. Seize driver their money, seize Bensikin men their money for every single checkpoint. They don't put checkpoint over the whole town. Now they're supposed to leave Ambazonia. No be our people them. One of the union leaders for drivers he talked for the La République, their agents say instead for them to come begin disturb our population, me them go channel the problem for their own leader them for Yaoundé. Me them go meet all the Ambazonia that leader them, then dialogue before they can talk for them.
With administration. So problem I say with the bank. Say me the administration, put over the year. Me the try to see, me the channel the problem for the artistic or the hierarchy. Me the hierarchy now, me should not call these other people. Me they should not talk as we talk today.
Our brave woman them, our mommy them, the trade union leader them, for the market woman them, they stand and talk for La République. Say the mayor they can't talk, say they need to drive mayor. But the reason why them for Bamenda, our mommy the way they sell, our papa the way they sell, they close market, our people they close market now because they no fit listen for a mayor we no be them vote them. The word for our brave mother. This talk where they talk am, now talk where come up for all money belle. Una listen.
For all country where war they need to drive mayor. That be so. I want to say the thing where it make them for mayor them for Cameroon or mayor them for Northwest and Southwest they get problem. So Monday we don't know. So the thing where it make them drive for all office now because now we be supposed to vote mayor them. When I show for the president.
Mami, they don't talk am. Even in the lion's den, with the Kilibe them, the terrorist forces them around with armored vehicles, long gun them for their head. They don't tell them the truth. Now the thing that we did for Omani Bele, the mayor them where they call themselves a mayor, no be we who vote them. Now Yaoundé don't put them for on top of our head. The governor, now Yaoundé don't put them on top of our head. Our country now they don't take them hostage. We will continue to resist this occupation of Ambazonia, this recolonization of our territory. We will continue to stand for the justice of our Pekin, the way they don't slaughter them for inside our country. Our people, they don't reject, they don't speak for themselves, so they goes down every Monday. It be sacrosanct for obtain justice and freedom for them for be able to live without the fear of La République du Cameroon, their gendarmes and their military. For be able to govern themselves, a promise be made to them by the international community without any foreign interference, as expressed in the trustee agreement where the British government begat them with the United Nations. Ambazonia, it get the right of self-determination, and our people have determined to be free from La République du Cameroon. We have determined to put an end to whatever experiment of a union with this cursed shithole country of La République du Cameroon. We want outright independence and separation from Cameroon. Make all man a tie a belt every Monday. Goes down Independent Day, goes down for all Ambazonia. For demonstrate for the war peacefully by our population. So we want nothing to do with La République again. This one a big blow to Atanganji Paul and all the agents of La République where they don't send and become pipe the so-called defeat of Ambazonia. Our spirit is more stronger today than ever before. But I will say this, especially for my people for Bamenda. We must come together as we fight for stand for independence, for make sure say no sabotage in no good day. One of the main function for the fighter them now for protect the integrity for the people their will for independence. Because time where this struggle it be start, La République it be the bring people them, fiery people them from Buda, from Bafoussam, me then can begin demonstrate the pretend for inside Ambazonia, say things that they go on normally. They be bring them for bosses, them for movements, and would see them. So it be important. Make we carry up arms for defend the people them, their interests. But I want to bring this particular point because what people them, anything where all man they talk for me, even the leader the way they don't stand for front today, they complain about the kidnapping for ransom. Many of them it be done by La Republique, them where they use people there for prison. They do calling. When I know it they talk. I go one send message. Say the boy them where they never for your junction. Where they kidnap people them every day for Foya Junction. What population them wouldn't hold them back enough. When they go rise up, when they go and do whatever they want to do, we have a Foya Junction day. That boy them for Foya Junction. I want to tell people who that say wouldn't wash hand for their back. No be legitimate fighter them. People that no fit deal with them specialize now for the kidnap people them every day, every night. What fighter them will no fit wouldn't fight the kidnapping for ransom over. But that one them particularly for Foya Junction for below Foncha Street. That one them they don't pass our power because even La Republique, the military, they don't make sure say me or boy they no get access for they protect that area. They deliberately left that boy they made them begin kidnap people them because they know say when they kidnap people them na punishment for our people them just like at Tambang Port they want punish we for close our shop them when we be supposed to sell during weekdays. They allow that boy them because they kidnapping, they punish our people them so that they go turn their back against for demand their freedom, turn their backs against the revolution. What people must come together. Last time, when Mami they ran, we cause the one rally march go against that boy that come for Foya Junction day. That boy they no be amber, them be worse than Blackleg. They kidnap people them every day. No be ADF fighter them. Some of them be a true fighter them, yes, where they be there for Bambui. They don't run come and they talk for this one because they don't become a threat for the revolution. It need for stop. What General Cobra, our commander for Bamenda, all know them, they don't fight the kidnapping for ransom. But this particular one would not try for take military action a couple of times. Enough you go and at one level for our population and at one tell una say that boy them for una pack una back them una come out for that place, we no one see una for day. Una need to represent our people, una be thief people them. Una be thief people. Would they denounce una, would they shame una. Una be worse than Blackleg. Una they catch pastor, catch picking any man they want pass to do and they catch him. Una need to represent the conduct of our fighter for Bamenda. Una they see what mami them for front day. All the way they don't call me. They talk say Capo would be glad but would vex. Would be glad would vex. That particular boy them for Foya. All man for Bamenda they tell una fit do whatever una want to do for stop that particular group. Na me I don't tell na me deputy defense chief. I don't tell una I don't talk for Cope for general for Bamenda. I don't talk for all our commander for Bamenda. We don't try for 2 months. This struggle not be only for military. The civilian side it be more important than the military side. Our forces then be more important, but once a soldier they don't cross that line, they don't cross that line. The war council be aware of this thing what they tell una. Una do whatever una fit do for stop that particular criminality. We they call themselves in amber boy them. Would fight for independence? Would not sacrifice a lot? And would continue for sacrifice a lot? The war they watch them. Any man way they see do this kidnapping for ransom, especially for innocent people. People they never do nothing for no man. Actually, people they support the struggle. How many of them will not catch them for this? Beat people they will collapse at their back. It need for stop. For we for secure our population. Me then continue for demand. Which way they demand them? We now for all man independence.
Future leaders stand up, carry the banner, stand up. The banner of peace, the banner of unity for a better future.
Ambazonia must stand together as one man for fight against this common enemy, La République du Cameroon, and for all enemies of our progress and our development and our independence, both from within and from without. God bless una. Capo Daniel, signing out.
The banner of unity for a better future of Amazon.